Hello and welcome to my art spa. My name is Anna and today I'm going to show you how to color your embellishments in a different way. I'll be using this gel print, some stencils, small print ones because my project is going to be very small, black liner, fine liner, water brush, my watercolors, and some artist crayons. And all it is a new technique to color. This is what it's gonna look like, and this is the inspiration. This is a German artist, and she teaches this technique. First, you're gonna trace, well, in my case, I trace already my cell phone cover, and now I'm gonna trace the owl from the inspiration book. And again, this is a tutorial about a new way to color your embellishments. It's by no means a tutorial on how to draw because I cannot draw. So I'm roughly here tracing with the pencil the outline of my owl so that I can know the area that I will be coloring. So I'm going really light. Sorry you guys if you can see it really good here, but I'm just going really light with my pencil and drawing my owl. On this step, I'm gonna select 3 or 4 different shades of yellow, and then I'm gonna cover the area, the complete area inside the owl that I traced. Okay, the gel print is gonna be the background for my cell phone cover. If you're just coloring a embellishment, you're not gonna have that area around like I do. But I'm gonna use that as a cell phone cover, and therefore I need that pretty background for the actual paper. And now I'm gonna create, kind of like creating a background inside my owl. I'm just gonna come very light with my watercolors and put different shades of yellow in there. Okay, now it's time to actually do the outline of the owl with the fine liner. However, the trick here is not to do straight lines. I'm doing wiggly lines all the way around my owl. The outline is going to be wiggles. You can do little circles, little bumps, little traces, little dashes, but never a straight line. For the eyes, I'll be using dots all the way around and then circles. And for the nose, I'll do some wiggles again. That I messed up a little, it's too thick. I think the watercolor was too wet. You really need to wait until it's completely dry. But yeah, just do the wiggles. Now I'll be using my artist crayons. They're water-based to do the stenciling. However, you can use ink pads, you can use any other water-based pigment you may have, like gelatos or the woodies. I pack all my stuff already because I'm actually recording. I recorded this video in Germany, but now I'm doing the audio and the editing in Rio. So I already had packed everything, so I couldn't get to my stamp pads. But I normally will be using my stays on, not my stays on, sorry, my oxide inks to do the stenciling. But again, it's gonna look cute. Use whatever you have. I'm gonna actually do a technique which is wiping out the actual layer of watercolor, so that will just make the area lighter, as you can see. And yeah, just make a mark. I will be using stenciling, and I'm also just gonna come straight with my crayons and do some marks in there, as you will see. I will stop talking now. Now this step is actual my special touch. I like, if you've seen previous videos before, you will see I always like highlighting some areas with either black or white. I usually use Posca pens or gel pens, but this, again, because this is so small and so delicate, I'm just going to use a pencil here. And I'm just going to trace around the little shapes from the stencils. And I'm creating those little details around the orange dots that I made. And I like it. I always do that. Again, you don't have to do exactly like I'm doing here. I think the main message here is to a new way to color something. Instead of just going and coloring like a solid color, I did different colors, and then I came with different layers. So it's almost like building a background, but instead you're using this to add color to an embellishment. And again, I did the cell phone cover. You can be doing just a little owl, a little butterfly to use in a different project. So it's inspiration. It's basically just a suggestion. You can make modifications as you please. As far as details goes, I'm also going to be adding a quote. I always like adding quotes to my mixed media projects, and I consider this to be a small but yet mixed media because we use different mediums to color this project. So yeah, I will do the quote and I'll come back to show the final results. And there she is. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and stay inspired. I'll see you next week. Bye.